But handling, I'm really, woo, let's not roll over. Really happy by the handling. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Of course, there are going to be lots of comments about Sabine because, well, transit and a lap in a van, she made it all popular. And this is a very special transit. It's a MSRT, which is probably motorsport road on track or something like that. So what's different to it?
It's a standard MSRT from factory, so they take them from Ford and they send them to the motorsport factory over in England, and body kit, suspension, brakes.
Nice.
It's remapped as well.
Handling. It's a diesel though, right?
Diesel, yeah.
Yeah.
Diesel.
So it's
Diesel.
yeah. So unfortunately, the engine is fully stock, but then again, you can use this as a contractor and drive around. You have a different steering wheel, which is very, very nice. But in terms of handling, I must tell you that this was one of the best handling out of the box cars. Like in terms of chassis tuning, very good job by MSRT team. Very, very nice. But other than that, it's just a diesel because you just need to drive to your jobs and be economical about it. Right on. OZ racing wheels, very, very cool. Unfortunately, we didn't have any back windows. We did have a sort of like spoiler going on over here. And we have a rear view camera that actually you see in the rear view mirror. MSRT exhaust, but of course as a diesel there is not much noise coming from it. But as mentioned, handling really, really good, with the minor fact that you cannot switch off traction control. It was a bit tricky at some point. But yeah, see for yourself. That was very high. Anyway, welcome aboard of this Ford Transit MSRT. Yeah, proper Sabine Schmidt's tribute, of course. Every van, or especially transit, reminds us of her. Yeah. I noticed that I cannot switch off traction control on this car. It shows DC off, but ESC I think remains on. So let's see what's it gonna be like. Kind of excited. We're gonna leave it in drive for now because we have unfortunately automatic gearbox. We're flat out on the gas. There's the Yaris. Let's maybe put it in. It's a diesel, I guess. So shifting at 4,000 RPM, something like that. Just gonna leave it in drive. We'll figure it out. Didn't get my construction workers hat and high-vis jacket this time. Ooh. That's nice and compliant, going over the curbs. At the end of the day, it's a UK van, so it needs to go over the UK roads, which are horrible. Like every time I go to UK, I'm like, guys, you are one of the leading automotive countries in the world. You have such a rich car and motorsport history, and the roads are just like the worst to drive. It's sad. But yeah, it's actually very compliant, you know. From all the cars I've driven today, this might be one of the nicest ones to drive. It's really, really not bad. It's in terms of handling. TC, come on! That was really unfortunate because we're carrying some really nice momentum. Then you cannot switch it off. Oh, it eats curbs for breakfast, for lunch, for everything. Fast T46 M3. Nice license plate. Alright, and here we are. If I was on the shift, I would have probably opened the glove box, grabbed my sandwich, and had a nice lunch break right now. Past the car behind us, so let's take it easy. Always also mind that there might be TC interference. This means that mid-high speed corner the car will go on the brake. Not the case this time. I'm flat on the gas. I wonder if there's a speed limiter of some sorts, because oh no, okay, it's still going faster. Will it reach 180? No. Sad. Oh well. Cannot have it all, I guess. But handling up really. Woo! Let's not roll over. Really happy by the handling. Yeah. I think Stateside Supercars was just packing, so he didn't capture me. So sad. Alright, so some faster G series coming through. Ooh, come CS. Very nice car. S2000 has some torque to it. I wonder if it's stock. Trip computer. No. Go back. We're fine. La 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 la. It's too bad we couldn't mount the rear view camera. Ugh. The handling is really good. Okay, so we need to talk about the handling. It needs to be studied. It's really good. Like I said, from all the cars I've driven today, this is probably fully stock, but out of the box, it's phenomenal. Really, really good. Like, if I could only switch off traction control, that would have been so much fun. Here we are. Just gonna try to carry as much momentum as possible without engaging TC. Woo! That was nice. It would be nice to put the seat a bit lower as well, because for my liking it's still a bit too high. On the road again. Yeah. And here we are, halfway through the lap. Very lovely experience. Very lap-ly experience. La, 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 la. Come on. And yeah, now we go into the quite a boring section of the track. Boring when you do not have a lot of horsepower. So how have you been? How's the year treating you? How was 2026 for you? Or is for you so far? It's quite an interesting year considering everything's happening in the world right now. I guess it could always be worse, so let's hope it won't be. Hello, downshift? Nope, no downshift, it will stay in D5. So with slower cars, not only can you enjoy the view, see what's happening around you, but you can also take different line. For example, keep the radius shorter. Yep, so now I have more of a straight line. Staying on the right side in case there's a fast traffic behind us. 130 kilometers per hour. Come on, Megan. Come on, Megan. Here we are. I'm flat on the gas. I wonder why it's not gassing. La 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 la. How's the temperature? We don't know. Yeah, it seems to be alright. Let's see if traction control gonna be sad about the carousel. We're almost on the top of the Notchleithe, so the car can have a little bit more speed because it's not gonna go and try to fight the gravity on the uphill pulls. I apologize for singing, but I don't know what else to do. Right, we're on the high section of the track, second highest section, because T13 is actually the highest section. So should be able to carry some momentum through here now, which is nice. Let's not use the brakes too much. Vipperman challenge. Whoa, 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 TC, come on TC. That went almost not as we planned, because as the car was trying to regain grip, traction control went full on the brakes and made it understeer. That's why TC has no place to be on a racetrack. I see all the photographers are packing up already because it's almost end of the day. Today, by the way, we have summertime. So it was 1 hour less of sleep. That's why I may be a bit sleepy. Whew. Braking after the jump. Almost not necessary. It's so empty today. Oh no, yellow. So we need to slow down because there's an inspection happening. Yeah, so we watch out. La 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 la. So maybe someone crashed into there and continued driving. Maybe that was the 5 Series we saw at the entrance. And to make sure that they didn't spill coolant over the track while they kept on driving back, there's yellows and investigation, which is a very plausible scenario. Right, le verdict of our lap. Oh yeah, you can see the coolant trail over there. The verdict, I really loved it. So yes, for the track, would have been great to have TC to be able to switch it off, because that was really annoying and frustrating, and it almost ended up sending us into the barrier in Vipperman. I mean, it did send us into the barrier, we just didn't end up there, luckily, because of the driver's skill, of course. Or not, whatever. Or luck, or traction control actually saved us. Right, let's not get carried away with all the hate commentary and stuff. Really loved the handling. If this is stock, which I presume it is, phenomenal. Like really, really good. Minus traction control. And of course, a bit more power would have been great. But I'm sure you can do remap, tuning, and all of that stuff. So overall, quite happy. So yeah. What else is there to say? Really good chassis work. Oh yeah, here you see a lot more coolant, big coolant spill. Yeah. So that's the 5 Series there. So yeah, overall happy to have experienced it. But yeah, for track it would have been good to have actually TC fully off of her. But yeah, other than that, perfect van for people who need to get to their job quickly, or to their job, for contractors. Really enjoyed it. Like handling wise, seriously, very, very good. Maya.